Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add albums to your library on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on either the home icon to select an album that you are interested in, or you can also click on the explore button down below and select these new albums and singles category. Tap on the more button and you are going to see these albums. So if you are interested in any of these, just simply click on the relevant one and tap on the plus icon here, and as you can see, it has been added to your library. So if you go to your library and scroll down and tap on the albums section, you are going to see that this album has been added to your playlist or to your album on your library. So feel free to add any of your preferred albums to your library so that you can find them later on quite easily. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.